Hola foodie friends, how's it going? It's Lawrence here. Today we are in Oaxaca, Mexico, and we're going to be doing a street food tour with the guide, learning and eating everything when it comes to street food in Oaxaca. So let's go, follow me. Today we're in the beautiful town of Oaxaca in Mexico, and let me tell you, this place is all about culture, art, and most importantly, food. We're starting our culinary journey in the central market with a classic dish, Lamb Barbacoa. They add a bit of sauce to the tortilla and pile it high with tender lamb from all the best cuts. You can also get a side of lamb broth to dip and sip. Just look at that color. Here we go. Dip it in some of the spicy sauce. Ooh. Oh yeah. That sauce is so good. It's so spicy. Oh my god. But that's just the beginning. We've got plenty more delicious stops ahead, so let's keep going. Wow. So good. Next, we're diving into the cooked food section. Heading straight for the barbecue area. It's a DIY grill fest here. You pick your cuts and cook them right on the spot. Meat heaven. Afterwards, we made our way to the cacao factory where they grind all sorts of different kind of cacao. And it's not just for sweets. Cacao is a big deal in some indigenous recipes like mole. And we even got a little taste. And wow, it's so good. Can you guess what this is? This is tejate, a traditional Oaxacan drink made from maize and cacao. The clumps on top is from the seed oil of the mami fruit. It's super refreshing and packed with nutrients. According to local legends, this was a favorite drink of the gods. We also couldn't resist stopping for some crispy fish tostadas. Alright, going in for the bite. It'll be a messy one.
Yes.
My god. That's really good. You haven't even held fish. Meaty, fresh, fragrant. Oh, this is really good. This hot sauce though, it's really spicy. Then we stopped by here to buy some tamales from these cute ladies who's been here selling the same items for decades, and her guide has been buying them since she was a child. It's great to see the local connections. Now we're stepping it up a notch for something a little more adventurous. Insects. Here we tried some worms and grasshoppers. These little critters are a lot tastier than I expected, especially with that garlic, chili, and lime seasoning. Would you be daring enough to try these?
In the field.
It's actually really good. Tastes like dried shrimp, exactly.
In boiling
sweet,
water.
savory,
But when we
crunchy,
put in boiling water, remove
delicious.
all the bitter flavor.
Give me some beers, I could eat this all night.
Yeah.
Now it's time for the good stuff. We got to stop by a Mezcal shop for a little tasting. We got to try a few different types of Mezcal made from various agave plants. You even got a little buzz going, but hey, it's all part of the experience. Finally, we couldn't leave without having some tacos. We wrapped things up here at Taco Roy for some delicious beef tongue tacos. It was so tender and flavorful. Have you ever tried beef tongue? Wow, really good.
How does the tongue taste?
Delicious.
Tastes like beef.
Yeah, it tastes just like beef. Tender, very tender.
Very tender.
Have you ever tried beef tongue? Trust me, it's worth a try. And that's it, foodie friends. This 3-hour tour was a blast. We got to taste so many things, learn about the local food and culture, and meet some fantastic people. This was all part of a free walking food tour. I'll drop the details below. Don't forget to check out my last video where I tried some hand-meat tacos in Mexico City. Or click here to check out my review at the world famous Pollo. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you at the next spot.